It's the letter A. A is for apple. Can you say apple? A-P-P-L-E, apple. Here comes the letter B. B is for ball. Let's bounce, bounce, bounce. B-A-L-L, ball. Meow. That's the letter C. C is for cat. Can you purr like a cat? C-A-T, cat. Woof woof, it's D. D is for dog. Let's bark together. D-O-G, dog. Here comes the letter E. E is for elephant. Can you raise your trunk? E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. It's the letter F. F is for fish. Swim, swim, swim. F-I-S-H, fish. G makes music. G is for guitar. Strum, strum, strum. G-U-I-T-A-R, guitar. Hello, H. H is for hat. Put it on your head. H-A-T, hat. I is for ice cream. Cold and sweet. Let's spell it together. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M, ice cream. Jumping jellyfish. J is for jellyfish. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. J-E-L-L-Y-F-I-S-H, jellyfish. The wind is blowing. K is for kite. Let's fly it high. K-I-T-E, kite. L is loud. L is for lion. Can you roar like a lion? L-I-O-N, lion. M is for monkey. Swinging in the trees. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. N is for nest. Look, baby birds are chirping. N-E-S-T, nest. O is for octopus. Let's wiggle our arms. O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. P is for penguin. Waddle like a penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. Q is for queen. Say hello to the queen. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. R is for rocket. Ready for blast off? R-O-C-K-E-T, rocket. S is for sun. Let's shine bright. S-U-N, sun. T is for train. Choo choo, let's go. T-R-A-I-N, train. U is for umbrella. It keeps us dry in the rain. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. V is for violin. Let's play a sweet tune. V-I-O-L-I-N, violin. W is for whale. Swim through the sea. W-H-A-L-E, whale. X is for xylophone. Let's tap the keys. X, Y, L, O, P, H, O, N, E, xylophone. Y is for yacht. Sail across the water. Y, A C H T, yacht. Z is for zebra. Let's gallop with stripes. Z E B R A, zebra.